Friends, hello and thank you for joining me here on this Globalstar video. Big news, big week. Think there's a lot of big money about to be pumped into Globalstar. Let's go over some charts, let's go over some news. Let's talk about what's happening here. So today I was doing my weekly evaluation on a lot of stocks that I invest in, and I was going through a chart on Globalstar, and I want to show you what I've seen here with Globalstar and just give you some clues to the context of what we can see going on with Globalstar, what's been going on with Globalstar, and what may be coming with Globalstar. So friends, let's go right into a chart with Globalstar. So today we'll say Globalstar closed around $1.65, and that's still very good. That's still very high for this stock. Now let's go 3 months back to when we started to see Globalstar actually come to life here. I'm seeing these two patches right here, and we're going to call them patches. We've got one and we've got two. The first patch we saw a lot of movement, then another big patch, and that would be number 2 right there. Now I would like to think we are in the third patch right now. We are in this third building block right now. Now the closer we get to $2, or when Globalstar does hit $2, and now we're staying up in the $1.60 to $1.70 range. But if Globalstar can keep this momentum going, this is how we start building these big old patches with Globalstar. And right now with Globalstar, the bidding price on that being around, $1.65, we'll say, I think we're still in a very safe spot with Globalstar. So with a lot of people getting stimulus checks tomorrow, I, like most of you, are probably thinking that the market is going to be crazy on fire probably the rest of the week, because there's going to be a lot of people with extra money in their hands and they're going to want to invest it. Now, whether they are investing that in Globalstar, I don't know, but I know they will be investing it into the stock market, which will help everybody. Small business leads to big business, and big business leads to business for everyone. So this is what we're waiting for, with these stimulus checks to hit people's bank accounts and then find their way to the stock market. And look at this, guys. I thought this was pretty interesting right here. So going back to the last big run that Globalstar had, which was from 2013 to, we'll say, right around 2017, Globalstar had a pretty long run right under $5 to the $1.80 zone. Now that's a bigger hump than what we're seeing right now, but I thought that was pretty interesting because that was a big time frame. That's a 5-year time frame of Globalstar staying above $1. Now the fact that Globalstar, the only high that it's hit here recently with this new run here, with this new patch we're seeing, the highest it's hit is $2.57 February 17th, and then since then we've seen just a lot of sell-off, a lot of buy back in, but a lot of sell-off at that, and we're pretty much at this $1.80, $1.90 range, this wall right here that every time Globalstar gets to it, it kind of just falls back down. But like I've said before in past videos, right now with Globalstar, there's a big trend going on right now in the stock market and with investors, especially new investors. New investors right now are really curious and really excited about space stocks, space tourism, companies that are going to build space ships. Anything to do with space, people are interested right now. And Globalstar could easily be fit into that category. Now, yes, Globalstar is not a space company, other than they have low orbiting 5G satellites in space that brings in their bread and butter for 5G network. What we're seeing right now with Globalstar, I want to say this is great momentum. I want to say that this could be the start of something. We've been here a while, we've been talking about Globalstar, we've been talking about it non-stop. And now that we're seeing a lot of people get more money into their pockets here, I'm curious to see what is going to happen with Globalstar here, especially this week going into next week. And we've already got economists predicting that this summer is going to be one of the biggest summers for the stock market, one of the biggest summers for people spending money. And if Globalstar can continue to capture new contracts, this is going to be great news for us investors. Globalstar, but especially us, the ones that are taking a lot of risk right now, investing in Globalstar, man, we could really see some big green acreage grass on the other side of this mountain here. And guys, I know there's a lot of you that have been buying a lot of contracts on Globalstar and doing pretty well with those contracts, and that's really good news and interesting news too. And going into a breakdown what is going on with Globalstar still in the financial realm of the stock, we have 46.64 million in short interest and a 43.14 million in volume, which is very good for Globalstar, and a market cap of $90 billion and 1.68 billion shares outstanding. Ouch. It would be nice if somebody would buy a few billion shares, but what can you do? But friends, these are my thoughts. These are the things that I am seeing with Globalstar. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this. Like I said, I hope you are having a fantastic day. And friends, remember, be positive, be you, and I will talk to you very soon on the next video. And we are about to break 2,000 friends, and I just want to say thank you for everyone that subscribes, and it's been a pleasure just meeting all of you. But guys, God bless you, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends.